You cannot split screen on iPhone. Split screen is a feature that allows you to view two apps on your screen at the same time. This can be useful for multitasking, such as checking your email while watching a video or taking notes while browsing the web. However, the iPhone does not have a split screen feature. This is because the iPhone screen is relatively small, and splitting the screen into two would make it difficult to see both apps clearly. There are a few workarounds that you can use to multitask on iPhone without split screen. For example, you can use picture-in-picture (PIP) mode to watch a video while using another app. You can also use the app switcher to quickly switch between two apps. To use PIP mode, open a video in a compatible app, such as YouTube or Safari. Then, tap the PIP icon in the bottom right corner of the video. The video will shrink and move to a corner of the screen. You can then use another app while the video continues to play in the background. To use the app switcher, swipe up from the bottom of the screen and pause for a moment. You will see a list of all of your recently used apps. Swipe left or right to scroll through the list and tap the app that you want to switch to.